So yun guys, tingnan nyo naman kung paano na-enjoy ko ngayon yung magandang creation ng Lord dito sa Dingalan. Kasi naniniwala ako guys, sinabi niya sa kanyang mga salita in 2 Corinthians 5:17, if anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old is gone and the new has come. So tara, enjoy natin yung bago, yung new na naging karanasan natin in Christ Jesus. Let's celebrate!